Hey guys, today let's learn how to find the hidden photos on your iPhone easily. So if you guys want to go ahead and locate where your hidden photos album is on your iPhone device, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch our Photos application. Now scroll down to the bottom until you see this Utilities tab and just tap on your hidden photos album to view all of your hidden photos. But in the case that you cannot locate where this is, or this option is not available to you, you gotta go ahead and tap on your settings, scroll down until you see the Photos app and tap on that. And I want you to tap on Show Hidden Album and enable this. If you have this disabled, this basically gonna hide your hidden photos album. And well, if you want to go ahead and locate where it is, just go ahead and just enable this and you will find it right there under your Utilities tab under the Photos application. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.